Hi everyone, I hope you all are doing great in your life. Since the introduction of AI, we have seen a lot of job shift, and the freshers who are preparing for certain technologies are scared whether they are making a right choice or not, whether these choices would be fruitful in the future, whether they would get a job with these technologies, whatever they are learning, whether it is full stack development, analysis, data analysis, business analysis, or be it anything. So they are somehow scared of it, whether they should pursue that direction or not, because of the fact that when the AI is introduced, AI has been introduced many years ago, but the trend has started shifting and everyone is talking about AI. So it kind of getting like becoming a scary thing in the head of everyone who is preparing for certain tech stack, and the experienced people who are preparing for a job switch or who are in a stable job but are having still anxiety whether this job is going to stay in next 5 to 10 years. So I'm going to answer those questions in a very short video. So I hope you watch this video till the end, because I have prepared a lot of things that needs to be discussed over here, and let me know in the comment section below whether you agree with these things or not. So let's talk about the job profile of data analytics. Earlier, most of the things that an analyst does was just doing manual entries and updating an Excel sheet or updating SQL queries, not majorly writing those SQL queries, but updating it with certain data, because the company had a script written already over there and they just made some manual entries and they were doing stuff like that. So what happened now is that task is already automated. So no need of human intervention needed over here. So these kind of jobs, if you are working on these kind of jobs, they're surely going to be eliminated in next 5 to 10 years, because no company would like to pay for someone who is doing such a certain manual task that could be automated. So company would try to cut the cost for you. Okay, so these kind of jobs would not going to be stay in future, but the another jobs would be created. I'll tell you how. So there would be certain AI tools that would be used by a data analyst. For example, if you are trying to automate a certain process, you are extracting certain data and you are cleaning it and you are making certain changes to the data and you are like using your brain power over here. So there would be certain kind of tools that would be introduced and you will do certain kind of automation in those tools, and that is what that data analyst profile look like in future. For example, let's say you are doing certain task and you have been asked to remove all of these, removing a certain null values from the system. So if you know how to use AI, so you are going to write a prompt for this. So you will be, in a way, you are going to give AI the instruction to how to do that. So there are certain changes that you could see in future. And yes, there is no need to worry if you are preparing for full stack development or data analysis. Just be mindful that whichever domain you are choosing has to be growing in demand. For example, the growth of CRM domain has been up since last 3-4 years. People are choosing a CRM software for their companies. So think in that direction. Whatever people are choosing, that industry would grow. In the finance, you can see a shift in the data analysis. There will be a lot of people who would go in the data analysis in finance, in healthcare. In particularly, a domain-wise shift would be seen. There would be no data analyst that has no domain. So basically, people will shift towards the domain everywhere. And if you see, there are certain technologies that are cloud related and DevOps, they are going to boom, because eventually the demand of these kind of technologies are rising. So that is another thing that you need to remember over here. And with the shift of AI, your job would be not lost if you're continuously learning, if your company is allowing you to learn so much, because there are companies who directly train their employees. So they don't rehire anyone. What they do is train you in certain technologies, and you will be someone who is handling those newer AI tools that would be introduced by the companies, and the shift would go like this. So just a reminder, if your job is very manual, just try to get into a tech, so that you should not feel any scary over here. And yes, continuously evolving your skills is one way to stay updated and stay in the market as well. And as per the AI trend will go higher and higher, the salaries would also go higher. So if you're thinking of transitioning to any career, be mindful of that. Every industry would require someone to use the tools of AI. So if you're learning any tools, or if you're learning prompting or generative AI or be it anything, Just keep on learning, because they are going to stay in future, and this is the future that you are going to work on, and all of these technologies are going to stay. So yeah, this was it from my end. If you have any disagreement over this, write in the comment section below. I would try to know your perspective as well. So yeah, let me know in the comment section below. Bye bye for now, until we meet next time.